Hey, how's it going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Jeff Bezos stepping down as Amazon CEO and the biggest earnings on February 2nd. Let's get straight into it. Okay, first looking into Google. Google reported an earnings of $22.30 per share. Also, a $56.90 billion revenue in the last quarter, both which highly beat expectations. Google as well grew 23% on an annualized basis in the quarter, recovering well after a big slowdown in quarter 2 of last year. Google also reported an estimated growth of 23% in revenue on an annualized basis in the quarter, beating its last year's quarter 4 of 17%, to push the price to $2,060 and a 7.34% gain. Google's advertising revenue for the fourth quarter came out to $46.20 billion, an increase of 22% from its previous $37.93 billion. YouTube ads brought in $6.89 billion in quarter 4, which showed a 46% gain from its previous $4.72 billion. Lastly, Google Cloud's revenue grew 47% over a year. Due to Google Cloud's revenue growth, Google's stock rose and surpassed $2,000. Moving on to Chipotle. Chipotle's EPS fell short of the $3.73 expected range. Also, the revenue of Chipotle was just met at $1.61 billion. Also, Chipotle reported that menu prices increased by an average of 13%. This was due to the fact that DoorDash and third-party apps are charging commission fees, eating into their profits. After earnings, Chipotle drops 2.7% to a price of $1,482. Now looking at Pfizer, they reported an earnings per share of $0.42, missing estimates of $0.46. Pfizer reported an estimate of $11.6 billion revenue, beating estimates by 6.11%. After earnings, Pfizer drops 2.26% after missing expectations. Moving on to UPS. UPS reported an EPS of $2.66, exceeding the $2.14 expectation. Also, they reported a revenue of $24.9 billion over the $22.87 billion. Though the company lost $3.26 billion during the quarter, the jump of 21% in revenue caused the UPS's stock to reach a 2.58% growth and a price of $160.29. Lastly, moving on to Jeff Bezos' announcement of stepping down as Amazon's CEO. As Jeff Bezos steps down as CEO of Amazon, Andy Jassy will be taking over as the next CEO of Amazon. Bezos leaves Amazon at $1.6 trillion to invite Andy Jassy, the top cloud executive. Bezos says he will be engaged in important Amazon projects. However, he will have more time to focus on the Bezos Earth Fund and his Blue Origin spaceship company, as well as the Washington Post and the Amazon Day One Fund. Now looking into the earnings, Amazon recorded their first ever $100 billion quarter and a 28% revenue growth for the fourth quarter, and a large 52% of Amazon's operating income was attributed to AWS of October 2020. Amazon's earnings pushed the stock to grow 1.11% and reach a price of $3,393. This leaves Amazon and Andy Jassy in a big position for 2021, with analysts predicting a $3,831.77 stock price. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.